It's actually starting to warm up here, guys. Again, we're in Waterloo, Illinois, and we're servicing this beautiful property here today. So, all right, guys, let's go. All right, guys, we got a total of 8 areas today. We identified some areas of concern. We always do an assessment, check for pet urine, as you can see there. Evidence of a dog. So we are going to treat all the areas today for them. And then after we treat the carpets for urine, then we're going to clean the fibers. So remember, guys, as you know in other videos, you can't clean urine, you got to treat it. And then we're going to go ahead and sanitize the fiber yarns after we're finished. So there's that. Look at this here, guys. See that? That. Right there. More right there. Look at this here. See that? So basically, we're going to recreate the accident with our process and then emulsify that so we can extract it out of the carpets without there. And then we're going to sanitize it. Again, if you guys need the service, please reach out. You'll be thankful and glad you did. Cheaper to clean it and restore it than it is to replace it. All right. And back here, we saw some other areas. Holly went too bad, so we're not going to treat that, but there were some areas in here, as you can see, right along there. See that right there? Lighten up. We also did a moisture test too, so we pricked it to make sure that, you know, see what was dormant or what was live. And yep, right there. And of course, there were some in here as well that we identified. And then here, there's a couple. Then we got here, this bedroom. Again, the hallway was fine. Couple over here. Couple evidence right there, right there, right there. So yeah, guys, and then the master, she's in there right now. But that's what we're gonna do. Stay tuned for results. And as always, thanks for watching. All right, guys, we're pre-treating now. And just a tip of the day again, this is a polyester contractor grade carpet. So it does wear out faster. But the best carpet out there is a nylon or a Tigressa, which is a hybrid. But this is a contractor's grade polyester. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, we're recreating the accident. As you can see, keep going. And we're identifying any areas of concern right here. Look at this here, right there. Set the lid up, guys. We're going to treat that with our emulsifier. And let that dwell so we can break that up. Because right now it's a paste, and then we're going to turn it back to a liquid. All right. All right, guys. It's going well. Stay tuned. All right, guys. I also leave you guys, all my clients, I leave them a little booklet, a brochure of all of our material, everything that we offer, different things. So that's kind of nice for the customer. So let me give you guys a little update, a little tip of the day. So we did already pre-treat, and now the potty spots are emulsifying. As you can see how you don't see anything light up? That means it's breaking it down, which that's what you want, down to a chemistry, right? So as you can see over here, all those areas are breaking down. Perfect. Perfect. And then we're gonna go behind and agitate those areas. But what's really bad was these bedrooms. Let me show you guys. Little tip of the day. Got our CRB there. Let me show you guys real quick something. Because we agitate all the fiber yarns. Remember how bad this was? Look at this, guys. All gone. Especially right over there. Remember those spots in the video earlier? Yep, all gone. Now it's down. We turned it basically to a paste to a liquid. See, remember all the spots are right there? Gone, guys. Now we haven't shown the customer yet. So when she sees this, she's gonna be blown away. Because what's left after this, we have to sanitize the carpet and steam it out and extract all that stuff. So right now that's a liquid. That's why you don't see it. Again, guys, it's all about chemistry. And we agitated with our CRB, getting all sides of the fiber yarns. This area as well. Remember how bad it was over there? Yep. All gone, guys. So that's a little update, guys. Stay tuned for some more results. And also the client's testimonial and your reaction. I can't wait to see it. That's my favorite part. All right, guys, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Okay, I couldn't help but show you guys this. Let me show you. You can tell I'm passionate about what we do, and all our technicians are. We love what we do. Remember how bad the areas was over here? Look at this, guys. Completely gone. And all right there, remember that? She's gonna love it. She's gonna love it. All right, guys, just no update. I'm excited for the client. Again, if you need our service, reach out. We do take care of pet urine decontamination service, as well as treat any areas of concern. Again, we always do assessment first. All right, guys, appreciate you.
Identify the great evolutionary process. But that
All right, guys, little update. Responding well, as you can see. Already did those bedrooms in the hallway. We're finishing up this. Sanitizing the fiber yarns. Again, to the original state. Oh yeah.
All right, guys, I'm with the client. See, I'm showing her the first time the result of the room. You guys remember over there, look at that, guys. All that's gone. Looks great. And those stainers over there, that's gone. What do you think, Mrs. Client? Appreciate it. All right, guys, thanks for watching.